Yo, what's good people? It's been a minute since I started a video in my car, but today I'm driving down to London to link up with my guy Benz, who's produced for people like Lil Tjay, 5 Year Foreign, Fredo, and way more. And we're linking up at a brand new studio called Qube Elephant. It's Qube's new location and they've invited me down to check out the room, so I'm looking forward to seeing the space, man. Qube have got the cleanest setup, so huge shout out to them. And yo, by the time this video goes live, we'll be well into Black Friday season, so of course I'm going to be running the biggest sale of the year. All of my kits and courses will be up to 70% off. You'll receive a mystery gift with every purchase, and if you spend over $50, you'll get a $30 gift card back. There's loads more happening too, so if you're looking to stock up your sounds, or if you want to learn more about making drill, trap, boom bap, or even step up your mixing, just click the link in the description. You don't need any codes, but make sure you do it before the sale ends this weekend. And let's get into it. But you sent me a new rap loop kit, so have you just dropped this loop kit?
Yeah, like a couple of weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago or something. This one's the least UK rap out of them all, to be fair. It's actually nearly drill, isn't it?
Yeah. Straight away, this sounds hard though. Could even make trap with this.
Yeah.
I like that, we might have to use that one.
Yeah. This one's one of my favourite ones on there, yeah.
Have you used this to cook up?
No.
Have you got beats for this?
I don't ever cook up to my loops.
Don't you?
No.
Whose loops do you use?
Anyone else, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoever, like.
Well, see, you make loops to send out, but you'll never use them for your own beats.
Rarely do I use my own loops, yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, this loops hard. We could start with that. The longest part about using loops, like I save them the same way, but the longest part is actually arranging the loop, isn't it? Like cutting everything.
Cutting it up, yeah. Do you know what? Like some people just are alright, but bare people
do get it wrong,
putting them in the wrong place.
Yeah. What I usually do is I'll put like a hi-hat in between it.
Yeah,
so say
I
you've
noticed
got
people were starting to do that. I'm actually going to start doing that from now on. Just got to go to the toilet quick.
Yeah, cool. I was already getting the structure wrong after all that.
Was ya?
You said you use Contact for drums like this. Do you do drums like this in Contact? I need to see that process, man. That sounds mad.
Yeah, I've been using this kit.
Oh, this
kick's
one's
hard.
the one,
It's
innit?
overkill one, yeah.
Every time.
You got my UK rap drum kit? Did I ever give it to you?
No, I don't think you did, you know.
Let me give it to you quick, because it's actually quite fucking proud of that one. I don't even make drum kits.
Yeah. This loop's hard, man.
Yeah.
Could hear a few people in here. Maybe like faster hats in one part. You gotta go to 808. So the spins every time.
No, not really. I always try and use different ones, really.
What would you say has been your strategy for placements then?
To be quite honest, it's fucking my loops with other producers. Mainly, they're doing the work, they're getting them. Obviously, that one with Lil Tjay I just got the other week, that was me. I sent that to him in 2020.
Did you?
Yeah, and it's
And
only
you just used it?
4 years later, it's only just come out.
Did he tell you at the time he was going to use it?
No, they still ain't.
What?
They still ain't. Nothing's
just
been
brought
said.
it out?
Yeah, so
That's
I've had
crazy.
to go through, you know, BeatStars.
Publishing.
Yeah, you know the thing they've just done. What is it?
Oh, they've done like a legal thing, haven't they?
Yeah, CRA or whatever it's called.
Right.
You just go through them and submit a case or whatever.
Yeah.
And then they'll get onto it.
Yeah, I might need to try that. Structure this, should we do like, do you usually do a 16 bar intro for your rap beats, or?
Yeah, well, for YouTube, I try and make it longer, innit? Yeah.
And then we can bring those faster hats in as well for the hook. I could work in it. Okay, before we get back to the beat, I just want to tell you about today's sponsor, FlexiSpot, because if you're a producer like me, you've probably complained about back pain at one point, and if you haven't yet, then that day's still to come, man, because us producers are known for sitting in the worst positions possible for hours on the worst chairs we can find. Well, FlexiSpot have got your back, no pun intended, with their C7 ergonomic chair. A while back I was using some old chair with pretty much zero back support, but then luckily FlexiSpot hooked me up when I moved studios and gave me a chair and a standing desk, which you've probably heard me talking about by now because that thing's life-saving, man. And I try to stand up as much as possible, but when I'm sat down it's important to have something that's going to look after your back and not make you look like a shrimp. This chair has a backrest that locks at 93 degrees so you're stable and upright. You can adjust the headrest to your comfort and there's adjustable lumbar support for your spine. It also has a wider seat than most chairs which you can reposition. Then with your arms you can adjust them up and down, forward and back and left and right so you can find a position that suits you. They're so confident you'll love the chair they're willing to give you a 30-day return policy for a risk-free trial, plus a 10-year warranty with direct replacement for damaged parts. So if you think your producer back could do with some TLC, just click the link in the description and use the code C730 to get $30 off your order. So now's the best time to get it, man, but let's get back into the video. I'll add some transitions and stuff soon, but yeah, let's have a listen to First one was hard. I think we should start something from scratch for this one.
Yeah.
Maybe connect yours if you want. Thought you liked using the big screen.
Oh,
going
yeah,
on at me for that.
Yeah, no, I do. Let me do that actually.
Orchestra sick, isn't it? I've got that one.
Yeah, you got this one.
Yeah. I never really use those though. You know, like the presets that kind of
the animated
have
ones.
The melody for you, but they're kind of sick.
Yeah, no, they're hard. They work well. Got it sounding a bit messy with this halftime piano as well.
We're just flipping the whole loop there.
Yeah.
Shit, my bad. Yeah, this chop sounded crazy as well. I think people watching the video would expect us to make something like this as well.
Yeah.
How long do you usually spend on a loop when you're working on packs and everything?
It all depends. I mean,
you seem pretty quick when you're cooking up.
That was fairly quick, wasn't it, doing that and flipping it. But it's different every day, innit? Like some days I'm sitting there like, I'm fucking shit. This is taking me an hour and a half to make this loop.
I do that all the time, man.
Yeah, and I'm like,
so you get some beat block as well.
Yeah, sometimes I go back to the missus. No, I'm fucking bollocks. I don't want to do this no more. Like, it's just taking me 3 days to make one loop. Do you know what I mean? But
and then you have days where everything's just flowing and you think you're the shit.
Yeah.
Sometimes even just getting in a different environment or cooking up with someone new, I feel like that just it's just a different feeling, isn't it? It kind of inspires you a bit. You usually working every day as well, or do you take days off?
Most of the time, yeah, every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you?
I've been trying to take weekends off. Usually I'll spend Sundays like maybe just doing a few bits on the laptop, like covering some emails, but usually I take like 1 full day off. This is the longest part for me, doing the 808s.
808s, yeah.
It's the slides, isn't it?
This is what makes me hate doing drill drums, really, the 808s. They're just
Traps
tedious.
are so faster.
Try a different pitch, maybe. I quite like it at this pitch though.
Yeah.
Do you lose that a lot?
Shaper box?
Yeah.
I'd say I use it more when I'm making kits. It is pretty sick though.
Yeah, this is hard. I think just structure it now.
Yeah, this might be done now.
Yeah.
Mad energy in this one.
Yeah. They're different switch ups with the pitches.
Yeah. Sometimes that's all it needs.